Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Face Girl. I want to teach you how to create your own Facebook page. Please kindly like, subscribe to my channel and share. Turn up the notification bell. Thank you. You're going to click on Facebook icon, that is this blue icon here with F. I'll click on it on the Facebook app. When I open it to show Facebook, make sure you are in home. You see it underneath, because this is a mobile phone, I'm using an iPhone. You see your home. Let the blue icon here, check downward. You're going to see home here. When you click on home here, underneath that place, you're going to see my profile picture, and in front of it you see what's on your mind, then image icon. Just click on my profile photo. It will take me to this place showing my profile picture and my cover photo. Then you see the name on top. See where they wrote 9+ on top. I just click on it. You see an arrow facing down. When you click on it, you see a plus sign showing create new profile or page. The reason why you are seeing the list of all these pages here is because these are the pages under my profile. So since I'm teaching you about how to create a new page, if you don't have any page, it will not show all these ones like Frosty Maximum, Ebony Face Girl, H&M Beauty Connoisseur, Frosty Maximum. It will not show you all, so it will just be your personal profile and this plus sign, which you see create new profile or page. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to these two places where you see new profile or page. These two options: personal profile, create another profile, get a new name and feed. Choose who you connect with. Business use. The second option is business use. Grow as a business, established creator or organization. Get advanced professional tool. Assign access to others. Since you're creating a page, you are going to click on this business use. You understand? You tap on it. When you tap on it, you click on next. You understand? If you're not okay with clicking on next, maybe you want to check what these two options is all about, you click on compare option. When you click on compare options, it's going to show you what two features is all about. Then you select the one you like. But for you to be able to gain, like to earn money from it, it's better for you to go for the public page, which is the business use. For the personal profile, you can connect with friends according to what Facebook is trying to tell you. Underneath, you see connect with friends. Decide who you friend and who can see your post. The personal profile can do that for you. Under the professional, to create ad, monetize your content, in brackets if eligible, view insights and more. You can see that the public page can do that for you. If eligible, here is when you meet all the criteria Facebook set aside for you to earn through Facebook. When you're able to get, if you're eligible to get your content monetized, that's where you're going to, that's where this option falls into. Then go to share access, assign access to others so that they can help manage your ads and other content. You can see that the public page has more advantage than the personal profile. So it's better for you to just click on the business use, which is the public page. Then you click on next. When you click on next, it is going to bring you to this place where it will show you list of all these what the page will be all about. Create a page to engage new customers and fans. Use advanced professional tools. Assign access to others. Get actionable insight. Reach more people. Then you click get started underneath. When you click on it, you write your name. Let me just put my my name, my page name here for you to First Girl Official. So when you just do it here, you click on next. When you click on next, you select category here. When you select category here, just click on, and just click on create. Now it will create, but because I already have a page like this, there's no need creating another one. But if I want to create it, I'll just click on the create icon here, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.